Good day, guys. You're welcome to another video from Simplify. And in the next series of videos, we'll be talking about how to add new orders. So, over here, we have the quick action button that says new orders. If you don't want this and you want to use a long route, you can click dashboard, click on orders, and then you find this here. Now, over here, you find the point of sale terminal and the normal sales panel. Yes. So I would like us to start from the point of sale terminal. When you click on point of sale, it's going to take you to the point of sale terminal. And then at the top here is where you can add your location. So let me add a location such as Edum. Here is where you can change how the grid is viewed. So when you do like this, the view changes. The view also changes. Yes. So you get a different view based on what you click here. So if you click here, the view changes. You click here, a different view. Now at the top here is the various categories. So you have tops, sets, office wears, full dresses, casual dresses, and all that. And these are the products. Okay, that's super cool. So over here we have walk-in, pickup, and delivery. And over here we have the customer select. So it's either you create a new customer or you select a customer. Yes. Okay. So that's what you have for the POS view. So we will try an order here. Let's say I want to buy the half sleeve dress. When I click on the half sleeve dress, I can click add here. When I click on add, it has been added to the left bar. Now you can see we can choose from walk-in, pickup, and then delivery. Then you can see the total and then the submit button. So we have Risa here. Risa is not static. We can move it up here if you want more space and visibility over here. Yes, and also there are some suggestions so that in case someone wants to buy something, you can just suggest the closest to it based on the AI mapping that is being done in the background. So these are the items to suggest to the customer. If you want to apply a discount, you can apply the discount here as well. So I'll just submit this order. You see, when I click submit, the order has been submitted successfully. Now, on this bottom bar, you see a couple of things here. This is the worker or whoever is using the platform at the moment. This is the checkout. This is the orders page where you can view the order details and stuff. This is the settings. And this is the notification if you want to turn on the sound. So we'll go straight to the orders to view the orders. Now we'll see that our order is here. So when you click on it, you can see the order here as well. And then you can decide to receive payments. You can decide to, pass the order through the different levels, whether served, delivered, completed, cancelled, whatever. So you can also do that over here. You can also delete the order here as well. So it currently says unpaid. Yes. So you can decide to charge. That's when you're going to use the mobile money or the card for payment. Or you can mark as paid when you want to take cash. So to run through it quickly, I'm going to mark it as paid. And now you realize that it has changed to payment received. So right now that the payment has been received, I can complete the payment. So the order has now been completed. And it's as easy as that. You are done with the POS view. So that's how you take orders on the POS view. Yes. So that's for the walk-in. We can try the same for the pickup and then the delivery. So let's say I click this, the Zara pink, and I add it, and I choose delivery. Delivery means we must add a customer and a delivery address, right? That makes sense. So let's say I choose a customer, right? And I pre-fill this. I'm not going to add the email. The email is not compulsory. So I place the info here. And then, so this is the address, KNUST. This is the telephone number. This is the name. and then I can just submit it. So I click on submit and it has been submitted. And then the rest of the process follows as we discussed earlier. So I go to the other page. When I click, I can see all the information, the customer name, the number, and everything. So if the person has paid, again, you mark as paid, then you complete it. And that's it. You've served your product for delivery. That is so easy to use, the POS view. Super easy to use. So let's go back home. If you want to go back home, you click here, then you go back home. Now, like I said, there's also another view. When you click new order, there's also this view here, right? Yes. So it's basically the same thing. So I'm going to just run through it quickly. Let's say I want to buy this dress. I add the product. Then let's say I want to buy this dress as well. I add this to it. Then I add this one. But this one has variants, right? The variants we created previously. So I can do SM and then I want color white. Then I add that as well. So you find all the three products here, and then I can just create the order. So let me select a customer, an existing customer, Nisa, but it's not compulsory. If you leave it blank, it's going to be a guest, it's going to be a working order. So let me create the order. The order has been created. Now, when the order is created, you can just click cash if you are receiving cash, card, or mobile money, and then, or you can send the invoice for the person to pay, or you can also mark it as unpaid and collect the money later. So you click cash and then you confirm the receipt of 330 cedis. Then you are done. When you are done, you are going to be sent to the order page. Yes, so this is the order details page where you find every detail. You can print your receipt. You see the customer. The customer was a working customer. This is the name, this is the number, that's the mail, and everything here. So easy for you to use. Okay, so once the person has paid, you can mark it as completed when you are done. So that's basically it. All right. So let's say you are in a setting where there's rapid customers, where a lot of people are coming. You don't have time to do um mark all of them as completed and everything. You want to do that at the end of the day. So let's say you have new order. This comes in quickly. You create your order and then you select cash. You confirm your receipts. You are done. You come back to sales, new order, this, 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 confirm order, cash, you confirm the receipt of the order, you come to sales, you add another one. Yes. So now at the end of the day, you have to complete all the payments so that nothing is confusing, right? Yes. What you can do is, one, for this particular product that we left unpaid, you can click here and then you click here to mark as paid. Simple. Then to mark, you can also do bulk marking the status at a go, right? I can update the status at a go. So I can come all the way down to completed and complete it. Then I click update. Then it will be automatically updated to completed. And that's very, very simple, easy peasy. So yeah, that's basically it. So you can click here for the POS view. As I said, Risa is here. You can move Risa around. And that's everything that has to do with taking orders. The order taking process is super simple and easy for you. And then all orders are also connected to your stock. Once you link them, when something is bought, the stock is going to reduce. Like I said earlier on, you can scope things based on location. So when I go to Edum, I'll see something. When I go to IPT, I'll see something different. When I go to Edum, I'll see something different. IPT, something different. Because everything is scoped. Yes. And the same thing is going to happen on every part of the dashboard. Okay. So thank you very much. I'll meet you in another video.